Morning, folks. I'm Dave Canterbury with Self-Reliance Outfitters in the Pathfinder School, and I'm out here at an adjacent wildlife area today to test a product that was sent to me. So what we're going to do today is we're going to talk about this man pack from Radio Made Easy. This is an FT891 man pack, and it includes everything in this bag to do MCOM with. From any location that you can get an antenna up, basically. We're out in a wildlife area. There's a few big trees right around me here. We should be able to get an antenna up in. I assume there's an antenna in this bag. We're going to open it up. Some of it I've looked at. Some of it I have not seen yet. I'm not a Yeasu guy. I'm an ICOM guy. So this is going to be new to me. It's not going to be new to some of you guys who use Yeasus all the time. However, what I want to figure out is how easy is it to take this bag with what's in it, set it up, get an antenna up, and make a contact. So that's what we're going to try to do today. Stay with me. Okay, so inside this top pocket right here, we got an owner's manual. That's going to be important for me because I'm not a Yeasu guy. So we'll set that aside. Looks like there's a warranty card in there and a couple other things. Radio Made Easy patch right there on the bag. Really nice camouflage bag. On the outside here, it looks like it's got a microphone case for the mic. It's also got a flap here to undo it so that the mic can go inside the radio, just like this, into the pack through this slot. And then on the other side, it has an opening where you have your coax for your antenna, okay? The radio's inside here as well, obviously. So if we peel this back and open this up, we're gonna see, because I've already done this, obviously, we're gonna see the FT891 radio in there. And obviously there's the removable front plate, and the radio's down inside the pack, okay? So that is in that compartment, and it's got a flap over top of it to protect it. And then here on the inside is probably going to be the meat and potatoes of this kit. So we've got, it looks like we've got a chameleon end-fed half wave in here. That gives us an antenna. We've got some connectors in here. We have a box, the ultimate antenna kit, which has got all kinds of connectors in it that you would need to connect different apparatus, different antennas, different types of coax to your radio. You've got a charger in here, and then there is a 20 amp hour, 12.8 volt Life Pro battery inside here as well. All right, and I'm going to assume that it's fully charged. All right, I haven't looked at it yet, but I'm going to assume that. So we'll stick this back in here for right now, and I can see that it's plugged in with Anderson power poles. There's also, looks like a throw in here. What I don't see in here is any cordage to be able to throw. So I'll have to find some paracord in the truck here, and we'll be able to do that. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put some of this stuff back in here so we don't lose it. Close this up. We're going to get us an antenna up, so we're going to pull out this chameleon end-fed half wave here and look at this real quick before we find ourselves something to put this antenna in the air with. I assume this is a full antenna that goes all the way to 80 meters, depending on how long you put it out there, with a ballon on it. Got a couple spool winders in here. Right there's your ballon. It does have some cordage in it, it looks like, right here. So I don't have to chase paracord. That's a good thing. And it's got two antenna sections here. So this one's probably 20/40. This one's probably 60/80, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to set the 60/80 aside for a minute. We're going to take this 10, 20, 40, 10, probably 15. Don't quote me on that. I'm not an expert on this stuff. And that's for winding that up on, obviously. Let's get this undone, and we will connect it to our throw that we have here in a really nice camouflage pouch. Just some heavy weight he's got in there with a loop on there to throw it. We'll get this cut off of here, and we'll get this undone, and we'll get an antenna up in a tree. All right, so we just put a quick bowl in this bad boy. We'll make sure this is all untangled here before we start this mess. Get those off. And we'll take this bad boy. This end is the end that goes in the tree. This is the end we're going to need to be untangled here. Let's see what we can do about getting that undone. Okay, one thing you'll have to excuse me on is I had already taken the coax out of this bag because I was using this piece of coax for something else. So the coax is in the bag as well. Now, we've got a rope and a tree here. We're gonna get our antenna hoisted up and we're gonna get things hooked up and move the Jeep away from that thing so that we've got the length we need, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so we're going from here. Pretty much NVIS, about 15 foot high in that tree. Deer antler height the rest of the way. We're just gonna tie this bad boy off right to the truck right here with a loop. All right, the next step for me is an antenna analyzer. And 40 meters, we are at 1.43 SWR. Let's go ahead and check 20 just in case. We're gonna play with 40 today, but let's check 20 just in case. All right, there's our 20 meter number, 1.17, 1.18 SWR. So 20 and 40, we're gold with this antenna. All right, so we should have a spot in the side here to plug our coax into. That takes care of that. Our antenna ready. We know our microphone is already plugged in, so we're good there. Now we can just come right to the front of this bad boy and open her up. Get this thing ready to rock and roll.
Oh yeah, Market Hills. Yep, I've got a good idea where you're at. We're really nice to meet you, Norm. Yeah, good afternoon, Norm.
Kilo Echo 8, Sierra Papa, Sierra CQ.
Was there another station in there?
Kilo Echo 8, Sierra Papa, Sierra.
Harold, I can't copy him. You want to play with up there, man? Yeah, QSL. I had the 50-inch XPR, which was a problem child. I also picked that one up for $100. And that one needed a new sync board. I got on eBay. I found a sync board for $36 shipped.
Kilo Echo 8, Sierra Papa, Sierra.
Echo 8, Sierra Papa, Sierra. Beautiful 5 and 9 signal, David, into 7035 and 7069 today, QSL.
Perfect, you're coming in 5009 here. I'm just testing a new rig out here with an NVIS setup, see if I can make contact.
Roger, roger, buddy. What's sounding good, so you're doing pretty good this way. Hey, thanks a lot, buddy, and you have a good time out there. 73, Kilo Echo 8, Papa Zulu, November, QRZ.
All right, well, there you go. Just had to surf around until we found somebody doing parks on the air. Easy contact on 40 meters. NVIS, 5.9. I'm not sure where this guy's at. I'll look him up later and find out where he was at, but he's got a great signal coming through on his radio right now for sure. I mean, he's blasting this thing.
Kilo Echo 4. Thanks for hunting at 73, QRZ. Kilo Echo 8, Papa X-ray. Kilo Echo 8, Papa X-ray. Good afternoon, Ronald. You are 5 and 7.
Okay, so all these Kilo Echo 8 numbers, these are Ohio numbers. That means this NVIS antenna is doing really good here in Ohio. Wherever this guy's at, I'm hitting him like a dream, and a lot of people in Ohio are hitting him too. So I'm anxious to find out where he's at.
Roger. Yeah, you just came up to a 5.9 as well. Hey, thank you very much, and you have a great day, buddy. 73, Kilo Echo 8, Papa Zulu, November, QRZ.
Yeah, Kilo Echo 8. It's his call as well, so that means he's in Ohio. So we're going Ohio to Ohio on 40 meters. That proves that NVIS is a valuable income tool for sure. Well, here's the deal. I mean, we got this chameleon end fed no higher than 15 feet in a tree probably. And I just strung it right back here, right to the tailgate of my Jeep. Just ran the coax and a snake on the ground right here. And we're killing it with SWR and killing it with contacts right here in Ohio. That tells you how awesome these setups can be. And I want to thank the guy from Radio Made Easy for sending me this rig. It's an awesome rig. I love it. Thanks, brother. So breaking this thing down is going to be just as easy, right? Pop the coax cable off the connector. Just like that. Lock it back up. Close, turn off the radio. Mic pouch is right here. Slide the mic in. Put the cord in on top. Velcro cover over the top. Now all we got to do is collect up our antenna. We're ready to rock and roll. All right, so that literally took me 5 minutes to break that down. And so now we'll just open up the front of this bad boy again. Got to break this down and open so we can see what's going on in here. We'll stick our antenna in, lay it right here. Some of this stuff could come out of here that's not necessary. You're not going to carry that battery charger with you everywhere you go, obviously. That's kind of an unnecessary thing that's in there. What I'll throw in there. And the only thing we got left is the coax. We can tuck it right in there over top of the battery, just like that. Close it right up. And we're in business and ready to go. Better hang on to this instruction manual because I like this radio, so I'm going to have to learn how to use it better. But for a guy without a whole lot of knowledge of the radio itself, and pretty much right out of the gate, made a contact, didn't have too much trouble, set up the antenna that came with it, rock and roll. The only thing I added to this kit today, like I said, was an antenna analyzer to make sure that I had things right before we went off and started making contacts. But this Radio Made Easy man pack with the Yaesu FT891 is a fantastic package. I would encourage you to check him out. Radio Made Easy is the name of his channel. He's got an Instagram channel for sure. He also does classes called Zero to Hero Radio Communications, and he travels around and teaches those classes as well. Great guy. I recommend him highly, and I recommend this FT891 so far and this man pack so far, but time will tell. What I like about it is it's pretty modular. I can put this thing on a frame if I want to and be ready to rock and roll and easy to carry it. It also comes with a shoulder strap so you can carry it over your shoulder if you want to, but the whole back of this pack is a molly, so you can put this thing on any pack you wanted to and attach it direct. All right, guys, I appreciate your views and I appreciate your support. I thank you for everything you do for our school, for our family, and for our business, for all of our sponsors, instructors, affiliates, and friends. I know this isn't everybody's thing. Radio's not for everybody, but a lot of guys ask me about these videos quite often, so I thought I'd throw one in there for you today. I appreciate you, and I'll see you on the next video, guys. Thanks.